What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your update on Luna Classic. This time an update after all the fundamentals have been dealt with. This week was obviously a big week for the fundamentals of crypto. You can see that Tuesday we had the inflation rate, which was bullish. And then yesterday we had the interest rate in the evening, which was, well, pretty neutral, but that meant that it was bearish for crypto. All right, so that happened. You can see that Luna Classic moved accordingly. This drop was after the interest rate, and then we were bullish right here after the inflation rate. But altogether, it doesn't look that well for Luna Classic. You can see that there's a clear downtrend on the short term. We know that there's a downtrend on the long term as well, on the daily. And then apart from that, there have been some developments which we have talked about quite a lot over the last couple of videos. Which I don't like, so I'm quickly going to go over that, and then we'll dive into somewhat more of a more detailed technical analysis. Now first we have to go over some things. First of all, volume is pretty standard right now. Like if you compare it over the last week, it's pretty average. If you compare it over the last month, it's pretty low, but the volume has been dropping for Luna Classic over essentially the last 3 months with some spikes in between. And if you take a look at the burns, I think like 2 days ago we had a pretty decent burn. Right now it's pretty decent still, but it's not bringing us anywhere. It's nice that we're burning something, but yeah, as I said, it's not really burning us or bringing us anywhere. Almost 11 billion being burned, but in total we burned through like 36 now with all the burn taxes and Binance burn with it. So good, but not great. And altogether, what Luna Classic is right now trying to do, and what way they are going, is that they are decreasing the burns bit by bit, and trying to get as much money available to the developers as possible. So the idea behind that is that if you actually create an ecosystem around the crypto, the value of the main currency of that ecosystem, of that blockchain, increases. So the blockchain would be the TERRA Classic blockchain, and the token would be the Luna Classic, or the coin would be the Luna Classic coin. Now, all right, I understand the idea for all other blockchains except for TERRA Classic. TERRA Classic is in my eyes still a failed blockchain. That doesn't mean that I hate Luna Classic, which might sound weird, but still, I don't think it's a failed blockchain. I do think it's a failed blockchain, and they're trying to revive it right now. And with that, what they're trying to do is that all these gains for Luna Classic that were caused by burn measures, all right, that brought hope to the community that was damaged by the whole TERRA Classic fall, all those gains are being burned away because I mean the burns are getting less and less, and it's not really bringing us anywhere. So altogether, I don't think that investing and like taking money out of the burn pool and bringing it to the developers, I don't think that's going to solve anything, and I don't think that's a good path to take for TERRA Classic and for Luna Classic with that. So I expect us in that line also to, yeah, maybe sure, find some support at 16,000, but I don't see us easily getting above 17,000. I think it's way more likely that we'll drop down to 15,500 technically. And I think this will happen within the next at least 2 weeks, but I kind of expect it in the next week. And drop back down to this level here at 15,000 and 14,750. And then in that update, I'll cover whether I think we can hold that. I think initially we can. But in the end, I do think we'll drop down to 13,000 and 13,500 as well. Because I don't think that support is going to hold us up that long. But yeah, so that's my full take on Luna Classic. I will be back with updates, maybe not daily. If you want them daily, let me know down in the comments. I could still do it, but maybe like every 2 days, something like that. But yeah, I'll think about that. But at least that's my take on everything that's going around TERRA and Luna Classic, and what I expect for Luna Classic. So that's my take. Have a great day, and bye.